I have bought myself a little light. It's probably no bigger than your normal mobile phone. Oh, that's what it said on Amazon when I checked it out. And it costs round about £70 to buy. So it's not cheap, but they do say you get what you pay for. So in this video, what we're going to do is do the unboxing, see what exactly you get for your money. Have a quick look around the product and give it a test and give it a final review. So with that, I'll get on with it. Right, it says here this is the upgraded version, so it's upgraded G1s RGB V aluminum alloy shell, new. Hopefully it is new anyway. I didn't buy a second hand one, so I'm hoping it's new. So a quick look around the box, so it shows you a picture of what it is. Nothing on the side, a little bit of information on that side there, and then a lot more information on the back. So I'm not going to go through it all. We'll have a quick look at that and then we will do the unboxing. Comes with a smelly. I'll call them smellies. Throw away. Do not eat. Silica. That way. So nicely packaged. And it is quite small. I'm going to have a quick measure up. So this is a Nexus 6. And yeah, it's smaller than my phone anyway. Although some people say my phone is very big. I think it's just the right size personally. There you go. So yeah, quite small. So a quick look around it. Very nice. Shows you the HSI referrer on the back there. Looks like I've got an LED display and you've got some controls on the side. USB-C. It is USB-C. So that goes in the bottom there. And this is adjustable. And we will be testing that. There you go. Nice and tight, but not too tight, you know. So it's not going to flop. So they've got that just right. I wonder if it comes with an Allen key. I would have thought it would. We will check in a minute. So like I said, let's have a quick look around here. So you've got buttons as well. Set, so that's good. And then you've got look down. Yeah, it feels very professional actually. You've got on off. I will turn it on in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. Hopefully some instructions of some kind. So registration, warranty, I'm not going to go through them all. So registration and warranty, and probably some help details. RGB photographic light user manual, I will read that later. Probably in multilingual. Yes it is, looking at that. So we have a cold shoe. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Never seen one like that before. Yeah, that's very nice. And very flash. I've got one similar to that, but not with them on now. Yeah, it's really nice. Another adapter. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. It's a little baby ball. Very good. Onto it. Does it go down? Yeah, it goes down. So that's really handy. Yeah, brilliant. Comes with a little bag. So you can put it in a little bag. Nice quality. And a USB lead. Let's check the length. Oh, that is quite good. I reckon that's about 500mm, but I will measure it up. Yes, so that's approximately 500mm. That's very nice. So move all the bits out of the way. Right, so that is everything you get in the box. What we're going to do now is charge her up, read the manual, and give her a thorough test, and then talk about some of the specs. So with that, right, she's all charged up, and I've had a little play about of it, just so I've got a basic understanding of how it works. So with that, I'm going to get on with it. So this is the on-off button, as you can see, and I do like this display as well. It's non-reflective, which is really good, so it should be good in bright sunlight or bright lighting. You should be able to read that nice and clearly. It shows you the battery, it shows you the strength of the light you've got on at the moment, which is controlled by this top dial, as you can see, and it shows you what mode you're in. So we're on CCT 5700K at the moment. but you can change that to other devices, which I'm going to go through right now. So if you want to adjust the brightness, like I said, you can go right down to 0 and right up to 100. Let's see, right up to 100, or you can press the button on the side, that one there, and that will take it down in 20s or up in 20s, as you can see. Okay, so for instance, if you have it on, say, 20 or 35 in this case, and you want to go down in 20s, it will go down in 20s until it goes down to 0, and then again back up in 20s. Just so you've got a basic understanding how that works. So that is basically your brightness or your strength or your lighting is the top one. And then you have the set button, yeah, that button there, and that will give you different modes. So like I say, it's set on there at the moment, and you can adjust that by this one down here, the FM button here. That will change the strength. So you've got more of a yellowy or more of a whitey sort of colour. I'm trying to do it on there so it doesn't hurt your eyes. But you get the picture, you get the basic understanding. And then to change it to a different mode, just press the set button. Now we're in HSI and it's set on S. Again, bottom dial will adjust that bottom one. And this is perfect for changing the colour to whatever colour you want. You can adjust this. And if you want to change it to the H, press the button on the FN, like so. And you can adjust that as well to give it a different strength, as you can see. I think we're going all green now. Perfect. Yeah, really good. Now a bit yellowy. So again, you know, it gives you lots of options to play about with. Again, press the set button, and it has 4 different modes. And we're going to go through the top one first. And this one is RGB colour mode, and it has 3 different settings. So it's on C at the moment, and you've got A, and it will give slightly different effects. B and C, as you can see. That's what that does. If you want to go to the next mode, press the bottom button, like so, and it pops that one up. This is like your fire service, your police or ambulance. Again, 3 different modes. I believe that one's police, ambulance and fire service. Again, next mode. This is lightning. Again, it has 3 different modes. We've got C, A. They go at different speeds to give it all different effects, which I thought was quite nice. And this one here is scene light mode. You know, like if you're perhaps watching a TV and you've got a light flickering or something, or like a candle light, something like that. This is for this one here. And then back to RGB mode. There you go. I'll go back to settings. That's it. So very easy to use. What I'm going to do now is quickly put it on a tripod. Right, I've got a little tripod, so we're just going to mount it. And looking at that, I'm going to turn it off for a second, so it don't blind me. Looking at it, there's several options. You can either put it in there. Is that going to go in? Just make sure. Yeah, it goes in there fine. Will it go in that one? That one looks a bit too close. Definitely go in that one. Put it on a little tripod. It's just a little tripod, just to test it out. Yeah, looks really good. Oh yeah, works really well. Got my little tripod. It doesn't come with an Allen key. I thought it was going to come with an Allen key, but I was wrong. It doesn't come with an Allen key, and you don't need one anyway. You can turn it 360 degrees, get it in the right position, and it would just stay there like it is now. Look, even if I go like that, it won't move. So whatever they've done a good job of making sure you can move it about without using an Allen key, which I think is perfect. The colour range is from 2,500K to 8,500K, which is probably about normal for something like that. It has a battery on it of 3,200 milliamps, so it should last for about 3 hours on full charge, around about that. I can't imagine me using it for 3 hours non-stop anyway, but if you need to, it should last at least 3 hours. And that's what they're saying online as well. So hopefully it will anyway. Comes with 12 effects on it. Actually, it comes with 4 effects, but each effect has 3 other effects, if that makes sense. So, for instance, it came with the police one, so you've got police, ambulance and fire service all on one effect. So you get a total 12 effects in total. So for around £70, or just under that, for around that price, is it worth the money? It's dead quiet, so no noise, and there shouldn't be no noise anyway. It feels warm to the touch. That's been on for about half an hour now, so it's quite warm. Well, it's not quite warm, it's just warm. It's not hot, it's just lukewarm. So it doesn't get very hot, which is a good thing. Comes with a selection of add-ons, culture. So if you want to mount it on your camera or your camcorder, you can. Also comes with a ball joint, a little baby ball joint, which is nice and handy. A little bag for you to put it in to protect the glass, and a good length USB cable for charging it up, which is about 500mm long. So it should be about right, about perfect length really, just for charging it up. So yeah, for just under £70, I think it's well worth the money, and it's definitely going to get my thumbs up. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.